Hi, and welcome back to Tech Tools and Hacks. This is your host, Javi Tech. Okay, so quite a few people started seeing that video I made for the microphone, setting some acoustics inside, and they asked for a small workshop of how I did it. So, right now, all you need is from that acoustically transparent foam. Cut a piece like this is, I believe, is 4.5 by 2 inches, and you need two pieces to do the quarter size foam that's going to be sitting on top of, even though this has a foam already, it's going to be sitting on top of this. Between that, it's going to be sandwiched with the capsule cap. So basically, just shape it up as round as you can. Okay. Cutting corners, so it is about to make a circle. And hopefully you can adapt this to many types of microphones, Pile, Samsung, Behringer. Behringer has they have a slew of microphones imitating the Shure. Even with the Shure 48, if you can open it, I can't recall if it's in two pieces. The metal part, I believe, is not, but it's in one piece, one entire piece. And you can do something very similar to it. Have one of those Audio Technica as well. Any old mic you might have laying around. I want to make it sound better. Just hack it away. That's the way to do it. Hack. See, there we go. Place it on top. Place this fella, even though it has foam inside already. Let's place it on top. The reason I do a little movement like that to the head, to the capsule head cover, whatever you want to call it, is so the foam won't rise. Look in the light, it didn't rise, so good. So now we divide the other part right here. Before I do that, let me do the same with the other foam, which I'm going to show you what you're going to do. This is going to go behind the capsule, and if it sounds muffled, just don't place it, or EQ the heck out of it. It's your choice. It's all about choices. Doesn't have to be perfect. And this is very simple. Okay, be always careful. This is what you're gonna get. This is how it looks inside. Like a white foam right there at the bottom. That's all there is. Just place it right there. It's not going to be 100% because you have some wires. And then this other fella, just roll it up. Place it in there. That's it. Carefully twist everything back. These are thin wires. They're the gauge, I believe, is like the SM57 and the SM58 from Shure. Okay, there we go. It's all good. And let's give it a test live. Okay, there we go. And I believe this one I'm going to have to do some adjustments. Let me see. Oh yeah, it did the trick. This one, I still feel more handling noise. I think the foam in the head, I have to separate it a little bit more. The one right here behind the capsule. Anyway, experiment. I gotta verify this one. I can't recall if I put it very deep in or on the outer rim of behind the capsule. The resonance is really reduced. That's what I wanted, and I achieved. So, okay, people, there you go. Handling noise is much lower than what it is original. Once you open the box when it comes from factory, and there you go. Another hack from Tech Tools and Hacks. All right. Thank you for visiting my channel. Have a good one, and God bless.